Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'll give an update on BTC with the correlation of BTC dominance. So let's go to the chart and let's combine BTC original chart and the BTC dominant chart. So let's go to the BTC chart and let's see what is the BTC condition right now. Okay, so I'm now on BTC chart. Okay, as you guys can see, I'm on BTC daily chart on here on Binance exchange. So as you guys can see, the price has mitigated. Okay, it's forming a descending trend line. It is forming a descending trend line. As we have several mitigations to the trend line. So we have four. Okay, this is the fifth one. Okay. So the more the line is getting mitigated, so there's a possibility for the fifth wave to break. Okay, my prediction is this market could pump from here. Okay, if it breaks, and it could even go higher. Fifth mitigation is expected to be a breakout. So let's go deep into the chart and see what's happening with the chart. And as you guys can see, in the 4-hour time frame, we have this channel pattern. Okay, we have this channel pattern. So why I say this is a channel pattern, because you see we have some breakout structures here. We have breakout structures making higher highs and lower highs. Okay, it's breaking higher highs and lower highs. You have breakout structures here. So that's it. I consider it's a channel pattern. Okay, the green color trend line here. Okay, this is acting as a very good support level right now on the current market. You can see there we have so much of price mitigation. If you go to the line chart, I always recommend using line chart to draw trend lines. Okay, so you can see that we have different here we have these mitigations. Okay, we have the mitigation. I will choose another color. Okay, we have so much of mitigations here. We have 1 and 2, and there's a breakout also, and we have, you see, we have another bunch of mitigations, and here also we have a bunch of mitigations. And right now the current market price, we have also have another type of mitigations. Okay, so what happened to the trend line here? So let's go to the candle chart and let's see what's happening. The trend line that was acting a great support and supply level in the previous market, what has happened? It has broke aggressively and come for a retest here. So now what the market should do, it should continue the trend to the upside. Okay, so, and here also you can see another pattern. If you go for lower time frame, we can see that the market is forming a, so we have multiple touches here, so I draw like this. Okay, so you can see that market has taken out the liquidity here. Okay, that was built up in this level, so it has been taken 2 times. The liquidity has been taken 2 times, so it has respected to this demand zone that is over here. Okay, so now the market is trying to climb up. So the line that I driven here, this blue color and this red color, these are MA, moving averages. Okay, these are moving averages. So this is 50, the blue color is 50, the blue color is 50, and this red color is 200. Okay, blue color is 50 and red color is 200. Okay, so what happened in the 4-hour time frame? The market what happened? The market has respected that 50 EMA. Okay, 50 EMA. Okay, so what happened in the 4-hour time frame? The market has made a rejection. Okay, it has made a retest, and what happened? It has rejected very aggressively in the 4-hour time frame. So let's zoom in more. Okay, and also the good confirmation for us is the trend line that I driven here. Okay, the trend line, this is a daily trend line. so that I driven in the chart. Okay, the price is holding above the green color support trend line. So that is a good indication that market could even climb higher. So if this break and made a retest, and can go even lower, but that is not expected with the current market situation. So I expect the market to climb even more higher here. Okay, so it's a good indication. We have so much of rejections here, you can see that here, and we have the structure breaks also. It is very beautiful, and we have this channel pattern. So it's a good indication for a rally towards the upward. Okay, so have an eye on it, and let's go to the BTC dominance chart. Okay, I driven the drawings for easy understanding. Okay, so let's go from the weekly. Okay, let's go from the weekly. So in the weekly chart, as you guys can see, I'll remove the moving average. So in the weekly chart, as you guys can see, the market is respecting this resistance line. Okay, we have this resistance line. Okay, so what happened after every mitigation to the resistance line? So let's see what happens. Okay, so this is the period of the all season. I mean 2017, it was 2016. Yeah, it was nearly at that period. Yeah, we had aggressive selling, and the all season was on the way. Okay, was happening in this period. And the next one was in 2020. Okay, you can consider 2020 and 2021. Okay, so the 2020 in December, you see we have a clear fall. So what happens every time the market falls? The market, if the dominant chart is falling, then the BT is ready for another all season. Okay, it should be aggressive selling, then only it can be considered. Okay, so the next, it's on 2024. Okay, but the 2024 is past, so still we didn't get a all season. So the price has mitigated and rejected very powerfully in the weekly candle. Okay, so I think this could be a start of a all season. Okay, so do your own research and find out when it is. So this is my idea, guys. So you can see that this weekly trend line is being rejected very aggressively, and in the daily time frame you can see that the market also has formed this resistance. Okay, this black color resistance, I'll mark it in. Okay, this is a resistance. So what happened every time the market reached there? It has made a clear rejection to the downside. Okay, it has made a clear rejection to the downside. So I expect the market to break this green color support line. Okay, and also you can see that there's another line, I mean trend line. Okay, you can see that here, right? You see mitigations here, see the mitigations. So we have first one, and the second, and the third, and the fourth, and the fifth. Okay, then it has also broken. Okay, in the sixth attempt, what happened? The market has broken to the downside. You can see it has made a breakout and a retest. So I guess this market is ready to dump, which means the BTC could pump. And I clarified you how BTC could pump in the before. So this is a good indication for the market to dump. And if you go for another weekly, let's go for the weekly chart. So you can see that we have a very big, you can call it as a gold line, I mean gold trend line. Okay, you can see that we have several mitigations here. We have two mitigations here, and the third one, and the fourth, okay, and the fifth. So fifth, it was a fake out. So next, if it reaches here, then we can expect a breakout to the downside. Okay, so which means the BTC all season has been started. Okay, the all season has been started. So that, I hope this video was helpful for you with the current market conditions. It's very uncertainty. So I hope you understood this very clearly, and if you find this video very useful, please subscribe to the channel and show us your support, and stay tuned for the next video. Until then, goodbye guys.